Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set dark mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings in your phone here and then go to display. Here click on dark button and dark mode will be instantly applied. Okay, so this dark mode will be useful for using your phone in night time or low light time. Okay, so if you want to set your dark mode, or you can if you want to schedule your dark mode, yes, you can do it. What to do is just go to the dark mode settings, and here you will have the option turn on as scheduled. Okay, so it will show two options, sunset to sunrise. Okay, this is default to sunset time, and sunrise time will be used, and at those time dark mode will be applied. Okay, that is during sunset dark mode will be initiated, and during sunrise dark mode will be disappeared, and normal mode will appear. Okay, if you want to use custom schedule, you can choose second one, custom schedule, and you can choose your own time for dark mode activation and deactivation, and click on set schedule, and here you can set the first start time. Okay, start time, just you can use whatever time you want to use it. Okay, here I want to use 18:10. That means 6:10 p.m. Okay, evening 6:10 p.m. dark mode will be activated. Okay, click on done, and you can also set end time of the dark mode. Click on end time, and here you can choose end time. Here I choose 6:20 6:20 here. Okay, so this is the end time of my dark mode, and click on done. That means dark mode will be activated in the day 6:10 p.m. and on the next day 6:20 a.m. dark mode will be disappeared and normal mode will appear. In this way also you can set your own dark mode schedule. If you want to have the instant dark mode instantly at this time, if you want to use dark mode, just click it, and instantly it will be changed to dark mode. See the dark mode appearance in your phone. It will be in like black and white. Okay, so in this way you can easily use instant dark mode, or you can schedule your own dark mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.